Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a sliding door using wood. First, select the right wood for your door style and function. Accurate measurements are crucial. Ensure your opening is measured precisely to avoid issues later. Gather all your tools, including a saw, drill, and sanding equipment, along with your chosen sliding door hardware kit. This preparation ensures a smooth building process. Now, let's build the door panel. Begin by cutting your chosen wood pieces to the exact dimensions you measured. Use strong joinery techniques, like mortise and tenon or dowel joints, to assemble the door frame securely. Once the frame is solid, carefully fit and secure any interior panels or planks. Ensure everything is square and level for a professional finish. With your door panel constructed, it's time for finishing touches. Thoroughly sand the entire door, starting with a coarser grit and moving to a finer one for a perfectly smooth surface. Next, apply your chosen stain, paint, or protective sealant. Once dry, install the sliding track system above your opening and attach the rollers and handles to your new wooden door. This step brings your project to life. Finally, hang your newly crafted wooden sliding door onto the track system. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure it glides smoothly and quietly. Check for proper alignment and ensure there's adequate clearance around the door frame. Your custom wooden sliding door is now complete. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic deals, including those amazing darn tough socks. Enjoy your beautiful, functional creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.